Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Diamond Painting and Stitching with Laura, and today I have an unboxing, and these two come from Amazon. We'll just get right to it here. And get the tape off of the steely things. Okay, and it's kind of a mixed bag of tricks. One's a diamond painting and one's a stitching thing. So we'll open up the diamond painting first. I got this one from the WEIYP store at Amazon. I paid $10.99. Sorry about that, I had to shut the door for the dog so she wouldn't go crazy barking. I ordered it on the 19th and I received it on the 23rd, and it does have a clear cover. That's cool. And it has a little thing, welcome to my shop, and it also has instructions on how to diamond paint, but we all know how to do that. Comes with a boat, some baggies, and a plastic thing, and a 3-placer. I just thought this was really pretty, and it just kind of said Christmas to me. Let me see if I can roll it back. The back is real nice and clear. There's no wrinkles in it, except for, you know, where it was been around the beads. It did come in a big box. There we go. Let me see if I can get you up so you can see the whole thing. Isn't that beautiful? I'll turn it around in case I've got this all going backwards. That's just the way things happen with me. Alright. It's real clear. This kit has 25 colors. It just has the key over here. So it has the number of it, then the number that's actually on the canvas, and then it has the DMC floss numbers on the side. And it's of 2 cardinals, a male and female cardinal in the snow. And I just thought it looked really wintry, and since I'm from Illinois, that's the state bird, I've always liked cardinals. I just think they're beautiful, especially when you contrast them against the snow. And I'll bring this up here. I'll pull this back here so you can see how clear the drill field is. See if I can get it level, and hopefully, whoops, it will straighten out. There we go. But it has a nice clear drill field. I'm surprised it has 25 colors in it. It looks like they're sitting on the tree. That's something you'd always see in Illinois, is them sitting in the boughs of the trees. Now the drills are not in little baggies, but they are individually bagged. So we have kind of a white. That's a little off-white. Whoop, let me get that crinkly thing out of the way. Kind of a brown. Kind of a medium. It looks oranger in the camera than it actually is. It's more of a muted peach. We have this light peach. Whoops, sorry. Then a pale green. And kind of a blue-gray. They're all nicely packaged individually, and there's the number on them. Kind of a mauve. And a red. And a rust. And there's a cranberry color. Looks like, no, I thought it was 8 something, but it's not. What one is that? Oh, come on. Number 15 is 902 is what it says. 16 looks kind of dark. 16 is 939. 14. This is, looks like that says 13. This is 779. We have a gray. Some more goldy colors. Kind of a medium charcoal. Darker charcoal. And this is number 8, and it is 350. Number 7 is 349. It's red, like a fire engine red. More gray. More gray again. I don't know, maybe a brick red. Number 3 is 304, kind of a red. I had that color in Hope Runs Deep. Never had that color before until I got it in there. Another gray and a blue. So yeah, those are kind of pretty colors. Kind of fall-y looking, and it's got snow. Well, I'd say winter looking, more so. I've seen too many cardinals around here, where I'm at now. I saw them in the Midwest when I was living in Kansas, of course. But I'm assuming that they're out there, they're just not where I'm at. How's that mean? Okay, let's set this all aside. Whoa, hold it. Beep, 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 beep. Warning, warning, warning. I forgot one. This is what happens. And then I go, I don't have that. Yeah, that's how come that happens. Okay, let me set that aside. Okay, and did I tell you everything about it? It's a 30 by 30 round. It says 12 by 16. I paid $10.99 for it, and it took like 3 or 4 days to get here. Okay, the next one is a sewing project. Can you guess who it's from? Come on, come on, come on. First guess doesn't count. Yep, it's a Joy Sunday kit. And it's the Aigrettes. Aren't they beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous? But this is a 14 count. It is 58 by 46. Turn it over. Always comes with the 2-page instructions, which is nice. If we ever get to that point. And let me pull it out. It's kind of split there. Comes with a very nice instruction book. Nice picture of it. I just think they're beautiful. I love the contrast and all the soft colors in this. Just thought it was gorgeous. Big instruction book, and it has the key running along the bottom here and the key running along here. And it's broken up into 12 sections, as you can see here. And then this is the picture of what it's supposed to look like when it's done. But always nice, clear instructions from Joy Sunday. I mean, I just gotta hand it to them. It's just awesome. Okay, when we open it up, we have, it looks like 33 colors. And these are the extra colors for the others, for the rest of it. Comes with 2 needles, of course. Nice needles. In fact, there's 3 in there. Huh, how funny. Yeah, there's 3. I never gotten 3 before. But you've got like tan and white and black-ish, I would call it. It's probably not black, but we'll just go with that for right now. No, it is something else. 30, what is that? 33. Well, it might be. 3885 is 32. Huh. Well, it says 33 colors there, but I'm not seeing 34 or 33. Goes 31, 32. Huh. How weird. Okay, whatever. I'll deal with it one way or another. Let me just get this out of the way and lay it down on this. Got some really pretty colors. Oops, sorry, my bad. My bad. Got some muted greens and grays and blues for like the water and the marshes, of course. And then on this side, got some more blues, some muted peach colors for the sky. Isn't that pretty? And it's just so soft. It just makes you want to just cuddle up next to it. It's so soft. I just love it. Alright, let's see here. See what we can do. I don't know why it doesn't say that there's 33 colors when there's... That's weird. And 32? Nope, it does not. It just goes to 32. I don't understand. Maybe they just don't count black as a color. Alright, now I don't know how much of this you're going to see, but I'm going to pause you so I can set it out there. Hang on. Okay, I don't, like I said, don't know if I can see. It has the key that runs along the bottom. And then up this side, and these are for French knots and back stitches. It says number 3 is 310. Beats the crap out of me. I don't know. We will see. Maybe they just stuck it in the extra hole. You can see one bird up here, and he's standing on a tree. And then the other one, he's kind of hidden, but he's right in here somewhere. So like I said, it's not real clear. I mean, the key is really clear, but the picture, it's like that great big huge one I had that you couldn't even tell the flowers because there's so much confetti stuff going on. But I just thought it was really pretty. Really, really pretty. Okay, I'm going to put you down a minute. Hang on. Okay, so I got this from the GMK Planting Tech, is what it says when I get to my invoice. But when I go inside, you know, when I was picking this out, it said Joy Sunday Needle Crafts. So I don't know what the deal is. But I paid $23.39 for it, ordered it on the 19th, and I got it today. 14 count, and it says it's 23 by 18. So all I have is this silly thing, so, because I don't know what I did with my other one that actually has all the centimeters on it and everything. Okay, so it is like almost 19 3/4. 19 3/4 by 15 1/4. The actual printed thing. It does say on this side that it's not 700. Bag up, Laura. 275 wide by 211 high. So I don't know what that is in centimeters. Doesn't have that on this, and I'll be danged if I can figure out what I did with that thing. I know I set it somewhere, and I thought, well, that's not a real good place to set that, but yeah, I set it down. Yeah. So anyway, that's all them. And the colors again. So I think they'll be really pretty. And I'll show you a picture of the whole thing again once I get all this up here. Yeah, I don't understand why that's there. Really weird. Really weird. Never had that happen. So, let me look on this thing just 1 minute. And it only lists 32 colors here. And the French knots are done number 32. And the back stitch is done in black. So, go figure. I'm just thinking that it's just extra of that number 3, which is 310, because it looks just like it. But I will show you the picture again. Let me see if I can break it down here, so. And then I'll bring you into it. And lay it down. Whoops, I brought you too far. I just thought the colors were just absolutely fabulous in this. There you go. Well, thank you guys for joining me. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell, and that way you'll know when my next video comes out. Y'all have a good evening. God bless. Bye-bye.